It's no surprise that Mars has captured our imagination for so long. As one of our closest neighbors, it's a mesmerizing world. Both science fiction writers and scientists have speculated about its potential to harbor alien life. This quest for knowledge has driven us to explore Mars's surface with rovers and orbiters, which have captured stunning images in 4K resolution or better. Mars, with its rugged allure and reddish tint, ignites our curiosity with its remarkable features. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stroll across Mars? What would you see? What mysteries does the red planet hold? Hello and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Join me as we delve into some breathtaking 4K images of Mars, as captured by NASA and other global space agencies. We'll explore some of the planet's most extraordinary sights that you might not have encountered before. Interestingly, Mars isn't as alien as it might seem. It shares several similarities with Earth, one being the length of its day. A Martian solar day is only a bit longer than an Earth day, lasting 24 hours, 39 minutes, and 35 seconds. Its year is also a bit longer. 1.88 Earth years, or 1 year, 320 days, and 80.2 hours. This is typical for a planet further from the Sun with a more extensive orbit. Among all the planets in our solar system, Mars experiences the most Earth-like seasons due to the similar tilts of their rotational axes, 23.5 degrees for Earth and 25 degrees for Mars. So what does this mean? It means Mars has seasons akin to Earth's, with temperatures varying widely. At the polar winter caps, temperatures can plummet to minus 143 degrees Celsius, while in the equatorial summer, they can rise to 35 degrees Celsius. Mars has polar caps like Earth's, but during winter, the poles are shrouded in continuous darkness. Unlike Earth, however, the temperature drops so significantly that the atmosphere freezes into slabs of CO2 ice, which accumulates on the surface of the permanent polar caps. These caps are predominantly made of water ice, and their size changes with the seasons. In this brief video, you can observe the seasonal variations in the size of the polar cap. One of Mars's intriguing features is the spiral patterns in the ice at both poles, believed to be caused by the Coriolis effect. The CO2 ice at the poles doesn't stay there forever. As it sublimates, it affects the planet's winds, creating winds that can reach speeds of up to 400 kilometers per h, impacting the dust scattered across Mars's surface, which we'll examine in detail later. Despite the similarities, Mars differs significantly from Earth. It is smaller, with a diameter of 6,779 kilometers compared to Earth's 12,742 kilometers, and much less dense. This results in a weaker gravitational pull on its surface. For instance, an object on Mars falls more slowly than it does on Earth due to Mars's gravitational pull being 62% weaker. If you weighed 100 kilograms on Earth, you'd only weigh 38 kilograms on Mars. Interestingly, this gravity is almost identical to that of Mercury, even though Mercury is smaller, with a diameter of only 4,879 kilometers. Mars's gravity is just 1% stronger, highlighting Mercury's greater density. This reduced gravity allows for incredible geological formations, such as Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and the second tallest mountain in the solar system, surpassed only by Rhea Silvia Peak on the Vesta asteroid. Despite not being the tallest mountain, Olympus Mons' size is impressive, standing 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Unlike Everest's jagged profile, Olympus Mons is a shield volcano with an average slope of just 5 degrees, so its full height isn't visible from the top due to the planet's curvature. Olympus Mons is easily visible from space, and on the topographic map, it appears like a massive bump on the planet. The volcano's center has some collapsed craters, and its outline features a giant cliff face up to 8 kilometers high. Another striking feature on Mars is Valles Marineris, a colossal canyon stretching across the planet like a vast scar. This canyon is 3 times longer and 4 times deeper than Earth's Grand Canyon. One of Mars's most distinctive features is its red color. which comes from iron on its surface reacting with oxygen, creating iron oxide or rust. This rusting process gives Mars its reddish-brown hue, evident in the many photos taken by NASA rovers over the years. These images provide a stunningly detailed view of Mars, once unimaginable for astronomers. While Mars may seem barren, it is quite active. For instance, in 2008, an orbiter captured an avalanche on Mars, revealing a substantial dust cloud stirred up by falling debris. Additionally, Mars features intriguing formations called spiders, which are not actual arachnids, but rather CO2 ice formations that erupt as gas escapes underneath the ice, creating spider-like patterns. Spider-like space gas orbiter in early 2024. Another fascinating observation is the annual changes in Martian dunes. Some dunes show significant alterations over a year, with ridges becoming more prominent as dust wears away. Fresh impact craters on Mars often reveal trails of melted water ice flowing away from the crater, with color added to show depth, not actual hues. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Often referred to as the red planet due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide on its surface, Mars has been a focal point of exploration and curiosity. In this essay, we will explore the mysteries of Mars, from its geological features to the potential for life, and understand why this enigmatic planet continues to be a prime target for scientific research and exploration. The geological wonders of Mars. Mars is a planet of extremes, showcasing a diverse array of geological features. One of its most striking characteristics is Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, standing at about 22 kilometers high. This colossal shield volcano dwarfs Mount Everest and reflects the planet's volcanic activity. Olympus Mons is a testament to the prolonged volcanic activity that Mars has experienced, with lava flows stretching across vast distances. Another significant geological feature is Valles Marineris, a system of canyons that stretches over 4,000 kilometers long and reaches depths of up to 7 kilometers. This immense canyon system rivals the Grand Canyon in scale but is far more extensive. Valles Marineris is thought to have formed due to tectonic forces and the planet's crustal stretching. Mars also hosts the largest and deepest impact crater known as Hellas Planitia. This massive basin, with a diameter of about 2,300 kilometers and a depth of 7 kilometers, provides valuable insights into the planet's impact history and the forces that have shaped its surface. The Martian atmosphere and climate Mars atmosphere is thin, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. The thin atmosphere contributes to extreme temperature variations, with daytime temperatures near the equator reaching up to 20 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures can plummet to minus 73 degrees Celsius. The lack of a substantial atmosphere means Mars cannot retain heat effectively, resulting in frigid conditions. Despite its thin atmosphere, Mars experiences weather patterns, including dust storms that can envelop the entire planet. These storms, driven by the planet's seasonal changes and solar heating, can last for weeks and impact surface visibility and temperature. The search for life. One of the most intriguing aspects of Mars is its potential to harbor life. The planet's surface conditions have been harsh, but evidence suggests that liquid water once flowed on Mars. Features such as dried riverbeds, lake beds, and mineral deposits indicative of past water activity provide clues about a wetter, potentially habitable past. NASA's rovers, including Curiosity and Perseverance, have been exploring Martian surface rocks and soil for signs of microbial life. The discovery of organic molecules, which are building blocks of life, raises hopes that life may have existed on Mars. Additionally, the recent detection of seasonal methane spikes in the Martian atmosphere suggests possible biological or geological processes. Human exploration and future missions. The quest to understand Mars has led to numerous missions by space agencies around the world. NASA's Perseverance rover, which landed in February 2021, aims to search for signs of ancient life and collect samples for future return missions. The rover's sophisticated instruments and scientific payloads are designed to analyze Martian geology, climate, and potential biosignatures. The idea of human exploration of Mars has also gained momentum. Space agencies and private companies are actively working on technologies for human missions to Mars. Proposals include utilizing Martian resources, such as water ice, to support long-term human presence and establishing habitats that can sustain life. Mars's surface is captivating, but observing it can be challenging due to massive dust storms. These storms, driven by strong winds, lift dust and create vast walls that can engulf the entire planet. These storms are so immense they are visible from space. For example, a dust storm captured in 2012 and its subsequent reduction a week later shows the storm's vast impact. Global dust storms on Mars are unlike anything on Earth, and I've made a whole video about them which you can watch here. Now sit back and enjoy some of the most stunning photos ever taken of Mars.